Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today, we're tackling a name that screams luxury, fashion, and prestige, but often gets mispronounced. That's right, we're talking about Louis Vuitton. So, how do you say it correctly? The right way to pronounce it is Louie Vwee-tawn. Let's break it down step by step. The first part is Louis, just like the French name Louis. And the second part is Vwee-tawn, not Vuitton or Vwee-tawn, but Vwee with a soft V sound, followed by tawn, which rhymes with yawn. Now say it with me, Louis Vuitton. One more time, Louis Vuitton. Great job. Now let's talk about where the name comes from. Louis Vuitton was a real person. He was a French craftsman in the 1800s who made high-quality travel trunks. He started his brand in 1854, and today it's one of the most iconic luxury fashion houses in the world. But did you know? In France, native speakers often drop the final N sound slightly, so you might hear it as Louis Vuitton with a subtle nasal sound at the end. That's the authentic French way, but saying Louis Vuitton is perfectly fine in English. A lot of people say Louis Vuitton or Louis Vuitton, but now you know the correct way. So, next time you talk about your designer bag, shoes, or even perfume, you can say it like a pro. Thanks for watching Say It Right. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with a friend who might need help with their pronunciation. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care!